the Trend Striker Extreme Indicator, which is currently offered for use on multiple trading platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section. And also to learn how the indicator works and operates, they can read this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, it starts identifying and displaying bullish and bearish trends within the market. The Trend Striker Extreme Indicator is a special and practical tool that traders can use to analyze the direction of the trend's movement and the strength of the trend within the market. Here we can see that the blue bars are displayed for us, which indicate a bullish trend in the market, and in the upper left section we can observe either a sell signal or a buy signal, which here is shown as up or down. In the lower section we can also analyze the trend strength, which is currently considered to be at 25%. The higher this value gets, the stronger the trend is in the market, and we have a stronger signal to enter a trade. In another section, we can see that the trend change is displayed here, and the market has shifted from being bullish to bearish, and we can now enter either a buy or a sell position in line with this trend change. Here, we are able to observe these trend changes as they occur in the market. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can set the long-term calculation period or the calculation period for the main line. In the next parameter, we can set the short-term or seasonal calculation period, and the higher we set these numbers, it analyzes larger price moves and has greater reliability. Conversely, the lower we set these values, it identifies smaller and minor price moves. In this next input, we can set the maximum number of candles for identifying and displaying the histogram values, which by default is set to 1000 candles. In the next section, we can set the alert status for when the histogram color changes from bullish to bearish and from bearish to bullish, and enable or disable the issuance of signals, which by default this parameter is disabled. If the alert input is set to false, the following options are also not functional. And if you enable the alert input when up or down signals are issued, and trend changes and alerts will be issued for us, which in the next parameter we can enable or disable the option to send alerts to the mailbox. And by enabling this input, as long as we've completed the email settings in the Tools or Options section, it will work. In the next parameter, we can also enable or disable sending alerts as notifications to the mobile phone. And in the next parameter, we can set the time interval between alert messages, which by default is set to 4 candles. This means that when signals are generated, alerts will be sent for up to 4 candles at most, will be issued for us, and the signals are valid within this period. Finally, we can enter the alert subject or order message as we wish. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicators tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your opinions and suggestions with us in the comments section.